because I haven't spent a lot of time with family over the last couple of years, I decided that why not fly my dad and Simona out to come meet me, and we'll enjoy a little RV trip together. So I'm on my way to the airport right now, back up in Montreal, and I've also realized that the RV is actually quite small back there. I only have one bed and a kitchen, fridge, and what you see is what you get. So my new bed is going to be literally right there where the kitchen is. So this shall be interesting. So let the adventure begin. So it's not just me now on my road trip, it's 3 of us.
Yes, day 1, and we've been told not to screw things up.
Whatever. Dad and Simona have decided to come out from Kelowna and join me on this RV trip in this very small RV.
Yes.
Are you so excited?
It is tight. We're excited.
It's nice tight.
I don't know what that means. Well, I need to document this. First time I get out of the driver's seat and let my dad drive, he sticks the bike key in the ignition. And now we're sitting at the gas station. How do you feel about what you did, old man? Like, I don't even, we might just have to sleep here tonight.
I don't think so.
With all the big trucks. And that's awesome, Simona. No, how about this? We'll figure it out. Thumbs down.
Florence, let me do it. Yeah, because he was half in and I said, what are you doing? He said, let me do it. And I was thinking, that is not the right key.
This is Nadine. How can I help you?
Yeah, hi there. Just a question for you. So, we're just traveling right now, and someone put the wrong key inside of the ignition in the RV, and now it's stuck.
Oh dear.
And just wondering what the solution is.
Oh dear. Well, first of all, I'm sorry to hear that. You must be horribly frustrating.
We're laughing right now.
Are you? Well, that's good.
Yes.
Good. Okay. Why don't you call Sun Valley Locks? Are you in Kelowna?
No, we're in
Close to Boston.
I can hear the laughing.
Close to Boston.
Yeah. All right.
And keep laughing.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Bye-bye. You bet. Bye.
And don't let my father drive the RV ever again. Look at him. He's like, wow, that was embarrassing. Tell us, how did you get the keys out of the ignition?
All I did was turn it a little bit and pulled it out. And voila!
Thank God. So the police are actually on their way. Oh, he's looking so happy right now.
It's okay.
And locksmith would have cost $290 American. But the New Hampshire police are on their way, and we're gonna let Father Dearest deal with them. But we loved him. First time in the driver's seat. These are just moments to remember.
Yep. Life.
Not sure how you could mess that up because there's a lot of different keys to actually choose from. So he decided to choose the long, skinny one.
I feel terrible.
Oh.
It's just a key. Accidents happen.
Are you willing to redeem yourself?
Yes, and I will drive now.
Okay.
Okay.
Get in.
Am I allowed? Okay.
Wait.
Okay, are you going to show me which key I can allow
I
to use?
already put it in.
Oh,
No.
thank goodness.
Thank God we're not sleeping right here.
We'll see you back in Kelowna.